So today I opened the fridge 5 times. Not because I was hungry, because I forgot why I opened it the first 4 times. By the 5th time, the milk looked at me like, "Bro, what do you want from me?" Then I tried to clean my room. Translation. I picked up one sock, sat on my bed, and watched motivational videos for 30 minutes. Now the sock is inspired, but I'm still in bed. Section 3, 1W120. Have you ever typed lol but kept a straight face? That's me. My keyboard thinks I'm hilarious. Meanwhile, my face looks like I just saw my bank balance after buying coffee every day for a month. And don't get me started on online meetings. I nod like I understand everything. But in my head, I'm debating if penguins have knees. Spoiler, they do. And now you're thinking about it too. Anyway, that's enough brain chaos for one day. If you laughed, even silently like a ninja, hit that like button. And if you didn't, well, maybe your milk can explain it to you. See you next time, fellow fridge philosophers.